guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Okay, so today we'll see about hooks in React. Okay, so hooks are very important in React, which we use for coding and applications and all. Okay, so today we'll see what is useState hook. Okay, so by seeing name only we can understand that is useState. State means what? Here we are updating the state. Okay, so let's move to an code. Okay, so I want to tell you one thing, that is already I have done video for this, but it is in Hindi. You can see that in our playlist also. Okay, so I got request to make hooks tutorial in English also, so I have started now. So guys, support to this playlist also, and if you have any questions then please comment in comment box. Okay, so I'll tell you what I have done here. Okay, so normally you can see I have imported useState because I'm using that useState hook, so it's most important that we need to import that. Okay, so I have imported, then I have done here one useState. Okay, means I have created one state here, that is count state. Okay, here you can see const count comma set count. Okay, you can sorry guys, so see, I have taken here count. You can take any variable. Okay, it's not like you need to take count only. You can take anywhere. You can take data, you can take different name also, but I will suggest to like you take related name only, not means while doing coding now, if you take related name only now, then it will be easy to understand the code and all, right? So I am doing here, I am incrementing the counting, so I thought I will take here count only. Okay, so I have taken here count, then here set count. Okay, set count is nothing but what? It will update the count. Okay, it will update means if anything change will happen, that way updating by using set count. Okay, then here you can see here useState of 0 means it is the initial value of count. Okay, means initially count will be what? 0. You can see here initially is 0. Okay, suppose if I change here to 1 you can see here initial value is what? 1. So to define initial state we are taking here 1 or 0. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell, suppose this is integer. Okay, and if you take here double quotes, then it will become string. Okay, so remember, so while doing coding you check whether it is integer or string number, then only you use. Okay, I hope you got what is initial state is 0, then if you are updating anything, that will get the set count. Okay, so this is about the state. Then we'll go to return, then later we'll see the function. Okay, then in return you can see here whatever the count is there, that I am taking here. Okay, it is in JavaScript, so this is the combination of HTML and JavaScript, which is JSX. Means we will say that the combination of HTML and JavaScript is nothing but JSX, which we use in React. Okay, so this is our JavaScript and this is our HTML. Okay, it is changed now. So you can see here hook useState example 0 is nothing but this count. Okay, so here I have taken one hashtag. Then next you can see here there is a button, right? So update count, one button I have taken here, that is update count, and in this button I have written one function, that is on click function. It is a event, that is on click event I am doing here, and the function name is what? Handle update count. So here I have written one arrow function, that is handle update count, and here is our arrow function. And guys, I will tell you one thing, that while doing any coding and all in React, just try to use arrow function only, so we will be hands on for arrow functions. Okay, so I am telling. Then you can see here I am setting what? Set count plus 1. Okay, means when I click it will increment by 1, plus 1 means it will increment by 1. I will show you. See, one count it is incrementing by 1. Okay, 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. Okay, why? Because I have taken here 1. For example, suppose if I take here 2, then see what will happen, it will increment by 2. I'll refresh this. You can see it is incrementing 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, right? It is incrementing by 2. Okay, so it depends on us what we want to take. Okay, then count plus 2. So set count means it is updating the value. If anything changes there, it will update in set count, and that will be set to an count. So whatever the changes will happen in set count, that we can see here in count. So while updating here, when we do update count, here our data is getting changed. Okay, so this is about the useStates hook. Okay, means useState hooks, which is very important in React. So to update in states and all, easily we can update by using useState hook. Okay, suppose if you have any question in this useState hook, then please comment in comment box, and I hope guys you will like this videos, and please guys keep support to our channel and like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much everyone guys, keep supporting us. Thank you.